Welcome to my channel, Agriculture Hacks and Tips. If you're into smart farming ideas, agri-engineering tips, and practical field hacks, you're in the right place. Please like, share, and subscribe for more weekly updates. If you're a student in agricultural engineering, focus on these 5 core subjects: farm machinery and power, soil and water conservation, irrigation and drainage, renewable energy, and agricultural process engineering. Mini project ideas? Try a solar water pump, a moisture sensor irrigation system, or a low-cost drip setup. These are easy, practical, and perfect for your resume. Here are some real farm hacks you can use today. DIY drip system. Use old bottles with a pinhole for slow watering. Soil pH testing. Use red cabbage water. It changes color with acidity. Mulching. Use straw or husk to reduce evaporation and weed growth. Rainwater harvesting. PVC pipes in a drum can give you free irrigation water. Even an old bicycle can be turned into a simple grass collector. Boost your knowledge with free mobile apps like Kisan Suvida, AgriCentral, and mKisan. Learn AutoCAD for machinery design or Python for automation in agriculture. You can also try QGIS or Google Earth Engine to map and analyze your farmland. Want to grow your career? Prepare for exams like IBPS, AFO, FCI, or AAE. Do short courses in irrigation, drone tech, or precision farming. Or start your own blog or YouTube channel. Share your journey and earn. That's it for today's quick guide on agricultural engineering tips and hacks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Agriculture Hacks and Tips. Comment below what topic you want next: soil care, smart farming, or job prep tips. Thanks for watching, and stay green, stay growing.